Hello everyone! Man, sorry, I just need to kick off the dust on this channel. I made this joke before. Hello everyone! How are you doing? It's been a while. It's been about 7 months. Guys, I miss you guys. I really do. I really miss you guys. I was just setting up my old channel, the old second video. Oh, bam! Look at that. Look at that. See, I don't even have any channel art. And last time I posted a video was like, yeah, there it goes. Like 7 months ago. Oh boy. Yeah, so I am out of practice from vlogging, and I apologize. But I am here because it's April 1st, and for the last 2 years, I have done VEDA, which stands for Vlog Every Day in April. And I like doing VEDA because it's a great YouTube initiation. Like if you've ever been like, oh, well, I don't know, I kind of want to get into YouTube, but I want to be a professional first. Don't do it. VEDA is here for you to exercise your vlogging muscles and for you to just dive in face first into vlogging. And so I am on my phone. I will probably be vlogging from my phone for most of everything for pretty much most of the month, unless I decide to just record on a different device because reasons. Yeah, so it's been a while on this channel for me not posting, and I will explain it on another day because I need to finish working. I didn't properly plan out my first VEDA vlog, but I did want to introduce myself to the newcomers and to anyone who may have been watching me. And for those of you who have been subscribed to me, thank you. I'm so sorry for leaving you for like 7 months and not giving you any kind of explanation. But I will explain everything tomorrow. So I hope you guys are doing well, and let me know in the comments. How are you doing? Are you excited about VEDA? And if, oh my goodness, if you watched the Hymnium finale, because I did, and I have a lot of feels about it. I don't even know how to call it. I'm going to call it, I have like an emotional hangover. Because like, I just woke up and I'm just like, I'm still very angry about the things that happened. But if you haven't seen it, then don't read the comments, because there will probably be spoilers. Okay, I'm going to go, guys, and welcome back. It's so good to be back. I miss you guys. Come on, let's bring it in. Ah, yeah, there it goes. There you go. Ah, miss those hugs. Okay, I will talk to you guys later. Whoosh, we will be here on the Second Ricky channel, right there. Bam. Ba 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 da ba da ba 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 da. Bye.